You know you should.
Alright, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Sleepy Six. Currently, we got a lot of boxes. We have the lower and upper manifolds from Mario Muscle right here. So this will be going on. This gives more airflow, increased horsepower, and you probably get about like 6 horses out of it. Little gain out there, so make the engine better.
Thing cut off. Oh, it went to screen. It might be still recording on them.
It's still recording.
Oh.
And we have the Rips Supercharged Performance Coil Packs. As you see, this will be going in. We're just basically doing all the engine stuff. So that will also increase performance too. Make it more smooth. Then top everything else off. Thing to GPE, we have the throttle body, so I have not opened.
I don't like this guy. I can't see what I'm pointing at. With the screen being black.
Tap screen.
Okay.
Well, we have this, and open down low. Open it.
You need to change the delay on this thing.
Have the throttle body. This is, I think, 78 or 80. It's better than the factory. So more air, more flow. So this going on too. And when you change in coil packs, you definitely going to need NGK spark plugs. I would recommend this one right here, the aluminum IX. So definitely need these. Alright. So I will get back with you with the results. I'm not gonna really do a tutorial how to put it together. I'm just gonna show results what it look like. This is the end results. We got the rip coil packs in there. We got the new throttle body, the manifolds, the lower manifolds. Put that back here, and yeah. So see how she sounds. Little crank up. Hit the end button. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna start acting up. I don't know what that was. Yeah. In there. Got running. Put this AC on. It's hot. Go ahead, mister. Turn that down. All the way low. And there you can see. Got a lot of popping going on. I hear it. first time cranking up. It sounds good. Sounds like we pretty much there, getting close to our goal. One step down. Next thing is the supercharger. So see, manifold, whole manifold. So good.